Alright, since we are here, a bit of update about the red color Celica. This is the primer, basically the primer surface lah. There's still a bit of bodywork required, and the bodywork actually are all concentrated around the front lah. What happened was that this is a reworked bonnet now. This is not the original bonnet, so basically the metal here is actually quite new. So it is a reworked bonnet, but we need to mount we need to mod the mount a little bit, so they have to come here and then bring the entire mount up by a couple of As you can see here, it's sunk down quite a bit. We're talking about what, 3 here? Over here it's about 2, over here it's about 1, and here is equal. Right at the edge is equal, it's about 1, then 2, then by here it's 3 differences. So we need to mount the entire bonnet higher a little bit, so that requires them to reinforce the mountings here and that side as well. So they have to reinforce the mounting, mod it so that you can mount the bonnet a little bit higher, then rework the side so that you have a seamless line. Yeah, that requires the bodywork guy. Our boy's bodywork guy is not around, so when he's back, then we'll get it done lah. Can't wait for this car to be done, man. Exciting, man. It's an amazing drive. Love it. Alright, that's that from this red Celica that is currently covered in its primer color. Alright. Alright guys, morning. This is another early morning JPJ run. The last one was even earlier, Shah Alam UTC. This one today I'm at Manjalara's JPJ branch, quite a small branch actually, to transfer a mystery JDM into my name. Now the JDM has not been mentioned. This mystery JDM, we have not made any public exposure about our acquisition of it. The Autophiles boy, me and Subhash actually bought this car together. The whole process actually took a while. There was some engine issue problem. You know, Bornean car, right? A lot of them has engine number issue. I don't know why. Maybe it's back then when they had a handwritten registration card, and then when they transfer it into the electronic version, the job was very shoddy. I bought what, 5 cars or 6 cars from I bought 5 or 6 cars from Sarawak in Sabah. I think every single one of them had engine number or chassis number issue. One digit wrong, 2 digits wrong, a dash that was supposed to be there but not there, or a dash that is not supposed to be there is there, you name it. So all these issues are quite common. So this particular unit of JDM has taken a while. It has engine number issue. What extent of engine number issue, I don't know. I haven't scrutinized the Puspagon report yet, but it's out and it's Lulus already. Lulus with conditions, but apparently it's not an issue now anymore because I'm here at JPJ. The thumbprint has been done. So I'm here to transfer the car into my name, and then once the car is transferred into my name, it will be ready to be shipped to Semenanjung. So can't wait for it to get here. Alright guys, that's all for this morning. We are here at JPJ Manjalara. Alright, see you guys. So it's fate. I wear this color shirt. See, I wear this color shirt, and see, boy, what is he wearing? He's wearing red color pants. Because I came here. We're base coating the Celica now, and ta-da! Pink color, but it's not pink lah. It's just the base coat. So the base coat, they're going for a slightly pinkish color. Then after that, they will go into red. So let me just show you the car, alright? Alright, so here it is. A little bit of work still needed to be done here because the leveling is not right. Couldn't get the right leveling around this area. As you can see, this is a bit higher and this is a bit lower, and I still have to adjust the leveling. Over there, however, it's sorted out. Yeah, so the leveling here is right, but there needs a bit of work still. Now this is beyond me lah. So these are things that I cannot dictate how it should be done. A little bit of body work here to sort out the silicone. You see they put in a wire, the green color wire, to lift up the yeah, there you go, to lift up the rubber seals to achieve a better coating on the car, So yeah, surfacing wise, from what I can see, is pretty okay. There is no significant visible bumps and whatnot. The body lines are pretty straight. Very important line you should see here is this. Yeah, you don't want too much filler to make the line disappear. I still see it, that's good. The line is straight, the gaps are okay. Boot gap is a bit big. There's very little we can do about that now. Some hinge adjustment is needed if I want to get it straight. Let's look at the line here. You see the line here, yeah, this line. It is still straight, it's still there, it's still visible. That's the most important thing. Let me close this door. And yep, the line you see on that door as well. So the line is a little bit more blurred in the front here. I think there's a little bit more cement to use. Let's hope that the final effect, it came out alright. But at this stage, very little I can control already, but I'm pretty okay with this. 85% to 90% satisfied. Bodywork is done quite well. We are basically looking at a car that doesn't need any body work for a good 6 years, 8 years. Yeah, it's going to be good for a long while. It's not a strip and redo, but the car doesn't require a strip and redo anyway, because it's still in a pretty good condition body-wise. There's some external rust, very little rust throughs and internal rust and underbody rusting. So yeah, so that's a good thing, man. So yep, that's all we have for today. We'll come back in a couple of days and the car will be all red. Interesting. Right, see you guys.